they filmed out here. So they wanted to add some color to these monotonous rocks. So they planted a bunch of palm trees. So we got free palm trees, and they got some scenery for the movie, and it never showed up in the film. So whatever they filmed with that background didn't show up. I watched it twice a few years ago just to see where those palm trees popped in. They didn't. So cutting room floor, that's what I'm thinking. So we're on top of the dam now. So to the left is the lake. So you see people out there playing and splashing. Oh yeah, it's going to get busy. See, they're all out there looking at the back, I guess you'd call that the front side of the dam. Yeah, it gets hot down there and out here. So we don't have volcanoes.